Hello! Today we are going to be making the perfect parakeet. Your first step is to locate all of your supplies. Your second step is to wrap your construction paper around your cardboard tube and glue it on. Now get your smaller strip of construction paper and glue that to the top of your tube. This is going to be your head. Cut and glue your rounded rectangle to the center of your body. This is your chest. You can add extra glue where needed to ensure things that are going to stay put. Your next step is to cut circles from your paper for your eyes. They should be a bit smaller than a quarter. Now you can draw your eyebrows on. Now glue your circles to the head of your body. Try to center it with the rounded rectangle so that it's nice and even. Add your extra glue where needed to make sure that they stay put. Now glue your googly eyes to the middle of the circle. Once that's done, you're going to cut a small triangle from a piece of scrap paper and glue it on as the beak. Now it's time to glue on your feathers. So turn the bird to one side and add glue and the feather. Repeat with the other. I used hot glue because I wanted my feathers to really stay on there, but you can use regular glue if you'd like. Now add the glue to the inside of the top of the head. Make sure to try to center it and add your last feather up there. Now it's time to hole punch the sides. You want to try to make them as center as possible with the middle of the tube. Thread your pipe cleaner through the holes and wrap it around your wrist. It will probably be easiest if someone helps you do this part. Once you have it wrapped around your wrist, twist the pipe cleaner so that it's nice and snug and it won't fall off. Again, it'll probably be easiest if someone helps you. This is what mine looks like. Thanks for watching.